Welcome. If you're looking to update your current position on LinkedIn using your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest steps so you can keep your profile up to date and make the best impression on your network. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account before moving forward. Once you're on LinkedIn's homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture with the word Me next to it. Click on Me to open a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can manage all aspects of your LinkedIn account. On the left side of the settings page, you'll see a menu. Under Account Preferences, look for an option called Name, Location, and Industry. Click on it to open your personal details. Now, you'll see your current information displayed. Find the section labeled Position. Click on Position, and you'll be able to choose a new one from the list or type in your updated role. After selecting your new position, make sure to click Save at the bottom of the section. This step is important. Your changes won't be applied unless you hit Save. That's it. Your LinkedIn profile now reflects your latest position. Keeping this information current helps your connections and potential employers see where you're headed in your career. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date tutorials on LinkedIn and other social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.